In a proud and momentous event at Ryan International School, Chembur, the ICSE 2024 toppers, who ranked among the top 0.1% of achievers nationwide, were honored for their outstanding academic performance. Brilliant students earned the prestigious Certificate of Merit in recognition of their exceptional achievements. The students were recognized for their excellence in various subjects. Ms. Isha Linesh for Computer Application, Master Rakshit Mehta for Computer Applications, Master Rushan Gosalia for Mathematics and Science, Ms. Dilisha Makani for Computer Applications, Ms. Nicolia Kohli for Physical Education, Master Ashish Ahuja for Environmental Science, Master Vikalp Jain for Environmental Science, Master Vishwanath Kapoor for Physical Education, Ms. Amishi Pal for Hindi, Master Drona Nanavare for Environmental Science. The event was graced by the presence of proud parents of these achievers, who were warmly welcomed and congratulated for their unwavering support and encouragement. Samuel Ma'am, the academic director, performed the honors of presenting the certificates and offering insightful words of inspiration to the students. Principal Dapali Ma'am also addressed the gathering, motivating the students to continue striving for excellence and reach even greater heights. The celebration was filled with expressions of gratitude as students and parents alike thanked the Lord for this incredible milestone. Special appreciation was extended to Chairman Sir Dr. A.F. Pinto, Managing Director Madam Grace Pinto, Snehal Ma'am, Sonal Ma'am, and Ryan Sir for their unwavering support throughout the journey. The students also conveyed their gratitude to Principal Dipali Ma'am and the team of teachers for their mentorship and guidance, which paved the way for their success. As the celebration drew to a close, learners were left with a powerful thought. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. At Ryan, we extend our best wishes to these young achievers, hoping their future is filled with continued success, happiness, and prosperity.
So, just want to thank all the teachers, Principal Ma'am, and my son Rushan Gosalia. He's topped the school, all because of the school efforts and, of course, his own studies. Everything he actually plans, what he says is absolutely correct. So he's not into studies, it's just like everything across. वो पूरा दिन कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता है. So thank you so much for everything.
I wanted to see him as a IIT topper in future because he is very dedicated in his studies. He is very focused during his studies period. He plan his studies properly so that he can use some time for his sports, cycling activity. He play flutes very well, and he see to it that he study one novel, a book, one or two books in a month. So he is very focused. He is planned everything in a proper way so that he is able to achieve his goal. And school has also given very good effort, puts very good efforts so that he is able to achieve. And teachers, and thank you for the teachers and the principal for giving us opportunity in this 13-year journey in the school. We are very happy and proud of you for the school. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Very good and cooperative nature, and school timing and punctuality is very well, and discipline is very well.
We were very happy for their support which they provided. There was a continuous guidance system over at Ryan, and we are extremely grateful for that. Yes, so there are always times when someone needs extra motivation when they fall down, and there was a constant support from my mom and my father who constantly helped him throughout his entire journey along with Ryan International. So half the result goes to them. Thank you.
Basically, I just tried to keep her as cool as possible. Told her to take breaks and play with her sisters and siblings and our pet. He was the main stress buster we had, and so I just told her to take breaks and do things that she enjoys. Only thing is that they should make sure that the kids are disciplined and consistent when it comes to studies, and just let them be themselves.
Well, I did indulge in hobbies. I used to listen to music and I used to write poems too. And no, they did not interfere with my studies because I think these hobbies are very crucial for clearing your head once in a while, and it helps to process the information better, and it also prevents burnout, which is very common among students. I feel elated and I feel proud of myself, and it is so good to see all my hard work pay off. And this wouldn't have been possible without the guidance and support of my teachers and the entire Ryan family.
It feels very good to stand here and be able to come to my school back after boards, and they have invited me for this prestigious ceremony. So I'm proud of myself. Yeah, I used to refer to the board papers on the ICSE sites, and they have presented the papers and the answer key pretty well there. So it's sufficient to just see what are they expecting to answer for boards, and you will get marks by that. I feel very proud of myself to be here.
It feels good. I'm proud that I scored such a good marks in boards. I'm proud to stand here giving an interview. Yeah, it was a nice experience for me. Thank you. Strategies and techniques, like I used to study 5 to 6 hours a day, and I think that is good enough for scoring good marks, and playing some games, board games, like that also helps to refresh our minds. That's it.
It was English for me because the language was very difficult, and it was old English. So I find it very difficult to write answers, and it was like too lengthy. But I overcome by attending the lectures in school and the notes given by the teachers, and everything helped then all. Thank you. Every small step taken by the school and the teachers were very helpful. All the teachings given by the teachers are very helpful, and whatever they taught was like everything for me, and I scored this much marks. That's all. I am feeling very happy for it and scoring this position, and in so less students, I am just grateful to God.
My study routine was to study approximately 4 to 5 hours daily, and practicing my hobby of playing guitar daily. For the rest of the year, I used to listen music and also go for a walk every day, which helped me very much and reduce my stress. I feel very grateful.
So I would just like to say that eat healthy food and be consistent and dedicated throughout your exam preparations. And after school you go home, so you study for at least 1 hour daily, and every subject you should study. And for maths you should practice more and more every exercise, and try to solve as many past year question papers as you can. So I didn't get much stress because I was prepared for the examinations, but if you get stressed, so you should just be calm and be patient and trust in yourself. So I feel extremely happy, and I'm very grateful for everyone, for Chairman Sir, Managing Director Madam, our Principal Dipali Ma'am, our teachers for their guidance and support throughout my entire academic journey, and I would especially like to thank my parents for their support.
CEN न्यूज, देश प्रदेश की ताजा तरीन खबरों के लिए CEN न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें और रहें पल पल की खबर से हर पल बाखबर।